Today I'm going to show you how to do electron configurations using the periodic table. So this is going to build on everything I showed you in the last two videos. So what do we do electron configurations for? All that electron configurations do is show you where all of the electrons in the element live. So some of them are going to be in 1s, some of them are going to be in 2p. So all this does is basically just demonstrate where all those electrons are. So your rules are to start at either the top left of periodic table or at a noble gas. So that's your first rule. Your second rule is that when you're done, your superscripts must add up to the atomic number. Superscripts must add to atomic number. Okay? So we're going to start off with some easy examples. We'll make them a little harder, and then I'll have a separate video for the hardest types ones that you can do. So the first example I want to start with is helium. So when you're writing your configurations, you write the element symbol. Okay, now what we're going to be doing is writing basically where the electrons are. You start with the top left, and this top row of the periodic table is 1s. You should remember that from the last video. This row is 1s. What you write in the superscript is how many electrons are in 1s. Well, we've got 1 here, and we've got 1 here. So we would write 1s superscript 2. Now, that's where we stop because we've already hit helium, and we would check that the superscript matches the total superscripts, which we only have 2 here, matches the atomic number. So that one's good to go. Unfortunately, this example is so short it doesn't show you much, so let me do another one. This time we're going to do carbon. So we're going to start by writing the symbol. Now, you need to write all of the levels that are filled. So in my 1s group, it has both of them. So I would write 1s2. So that takes care of these ones. Then we go back to the left like you're reading, and this is group 2s. So we'd write 2s, and it passes both of those. So we'd write 2s2. So now you go straight across, same row. This is the 2p group. So now you would write 2p, and then however many you have. So we have 1, and we have 1 more, 2. So you would write 2p2. Okay, so now we've run into the element that we're doing. Now we want to make sure the superscripts add to the atomic number. 2, 4, 6. So we're good to go. Cool. Let's do one a little bit farther down because I want to get involved with the D block in here. Actually, I'm going to wait to do the D block till the next video, but this is one more that's farther down. So we're doing argon. Okay, so we start at top left. Our first group is 1s, and there's 1, 2 electrons in it. Then if I read again from left to right, we start here with 2s, and there are 2 electrons in it. Straight across, now we're in 2p, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons in it. Then we go again back to the left over here. This is row 3s, so then it's 3s, 1, 2. And then we jump across to here, which is 3p, right? 3p, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3p6. So I've landed on my element. I want to make sure that the superscripts add to 18. So 2, 4, 6, 12, 18. Good to go. Okay, so that's the hardest one I'm going to do in this video. I will see you in the next one.